Okay, everyone, it's 9 p.m. Let's start. Let me turn on my camera. No, not this one. Okay, hold on. Ayan, so you can see me, no? So as I promised, you will see me on screen for this orientation. Okay, so sige, i-show ko lang po yung slides ko. Let's start. Okay, so first, I'd like to thank you for joining this session despite our inclement weather. Thank you so much. That's already a show of commitment, and I really appreciate it. So welcome to our pre-workshop orientation for the talking character creation scheduled this Saturday. Okay, so once again, my name is Iggy Kalawad, and I will be your trainer for Saturday. Ayan. And this session is 1 hour, but I hope you are flexible, especially if you have questions. I really want to attend to them. Okay? So to formally introduce myself, ito po ako no, on the right side. By profession, I'm an IT manager in a retail company and as well a certified practitioner po ng learning management system. So if we have attendees here now from universities, we might have seen each other kasi po nagko-contact po ako ng workshop din for learning management system with AI. Ayan. And ito po yung iba kong mga ganap, no? Even before AI, I used to making children's books na din for my kids. And I'm a certified author then from National Book Development Board. And then back in college, and I really love music. I have a band. I'm a former vocalist po and writer ng songs. Ayan. So I'm an independent musician and songwriter. So yung mga kanta ko po kanina, hopefully you love them. So please follow me in Spotify and YouTube Music. They are actually available din po no sa Facebook Reels. Ayan. And then of course, most of all, kaya po tayo nandito is for you to learn something from me. And I own the AI Captain PH po no kung saan po ninyo nakita yung ads ko about the talking character creation. Ayan. So, thank you at this point na you trust me and hopefully by introducing myself, mas pagkatiwalaan niyo po ako. Okay, so bakit po ba natin ginagawa ito, no, itong orientation? So, 3 points. First is I really want to build yung trust between us. So when I say between us, I want you to gain trust kung sino ako at kung ano po yung value na ibibigay ko sa inyo. But at the same time, I want to get trust from you, no? I want to trust you. Kasi nga po itong session, it's a 3-hour session by Saturday and I really wanted to filter the group for those committed learners only. Okay po? Ayan. So, I really want to see your commitment. First level is by joining this orientation. So, thank you, no? So, we will build the bridge para po, we get to know each other before we do the session on Saturday. That's one. And then the second one is, I really wanted you to understand yung value ng investment. Okay po. Yan kasi marami pong tanong ano and then marami pong instances din na in social media maraming nai-scam, maraming mali yung anticipation. So maraming hindi nakakakuha ng real value dun sa investment or dun sa gustong outcome na makuha po nila. So in this way, sa mga succeeding slides ko po, I want to show you no, kung ano po yung expectation at ano po yung value. And if after this, you decided not to pursue, then it's okay, no hard feelings, okay? Yan, but yeah, my objective really is for you to understand everything before you pay, no? Yung 500 na minimal fee po natin. I will explain more no about that 500, about the value. And third is to maximize the workshop on Saturday with pure hands-on learning. Yun po, I want to eliminate this introductory portion, no, mga preparation, questions. On Saturday, upo tayong pare-pareho and then gawin natin sabay-sabay. No, we want to maximize yung 2 to 3 hours. Okay, you might notice I always mention 2 to 3 hours. I-explain ko po yan. No? But most of the time, we extend more than 2 hours. I mean, it's always 3 hours, and since I'm very flexible, then yeah, na-extend po. What I'm trying to say is let's maximize yung Saturday for the actual workshop. Okay, yeah. So I want to start yung pag-describe ng workshop ko, what it is not. No? First is, hindi po kayo manonood ng pre-recorded video. Marami pong gumagawa niyan. They will mention na lahat po nandito na, papanoorin nyo na lang. We're not that one. No? Yes, you're not simply watching someone demonstrate the process. Okay, you will do it with me. Yung approach ko po dyan is I do, you follow. Okay? Yan. So, yung mga zero experience, huwag po kayong mag-alala. No, this workshop is really designed beginner friendly. Okay? And this is not a short video tutorial. Marami pong short video tutorial sa Facebook. So, I'm not saying that pangit po yun. I'm not invalidating them. But the difference with the workshop is we will go beyond those quick tips or step-by-step clips. They provide you the prompts. Dito po sa workshop natin is you will create your own prompt. Okay po? Pero wag po kayong madi-discourage. I-explain ko po. Alright? And this is not a one-way session. So you will be encouraged to participate. I will ask for an output. That's the way for me to know na talagang nasundan nyo and may natutunan po kayo. Okay? And during the workshop, you can ask questions, and I provide practice sessions. I will explain later po, no? Yan, and this is not an e-book or self-study material. So, wag po kayo mag-alala if meron po kayong in-avail na workshop tapos binigyan lang kayo ng digital copy ng instructions na kahaba-haba. Yan, hindi po, no? Learning happens through actual demonstration and guided application. I'm with you, no? Dun sa Saturday online live session po natin. Yan po yung madalas na tanong if kung nandun po yung trainer during the session. Yes, I will be there. Kung sino po yung nakikita nyo ngayon, yun po yung makikita nyo sa Saturday. Okay? And I'm not an AI po, ha? Okay, this is not a watch and copy class. So, hindi lang po kayo susunod sa akin, but maiintindihan nyo yung pinaka-foundation ng lahat ng ito. Yeah, so you will understand the process, not just follow instructions. And this is not just about learning tools. So sabi ko nga po, no, the tools that we will use is free AI tools, no subscription. So the goal is for you to learn not just those tools, but also to learn yung efficient and effective way on how to use them, or how to use them. Okay? So yun po yung what it is not. And so given those info na binanggit ko po, no, so our workshop is you participate, you create, and you learn the process. Okay, that's why in the next slide I want to show you this. Ang totoong value na makukuha nyo sa Talking Character Creation Workshop. Actually, title lang po yun, ano? I mean, it's just the front end, no, na Talking Character Creation Workshop. But basically, you will learn these foundational skills, no? So as you can see in this example, mga example contents po ito ng video. So ito po yung ads ko na nakita nyo, yung Talking Character Creation. And I have here yung, by the way, mga contents ko po ito talaga, ha? Cinematic movies po ito. I turned myself into a medieval warrior in a war, no, with undead, ganyan. And then this one is educational, and ito po is product promotion, product animation, and KD birthday invitation. There's a lot more. I'm just showing you an example. And what I'm trying to say here is by understanding itong foundational skills, magagawa nyo po ito. Yes. So that's one of the most important thing to note, no, in the workshop is you need to just understand or to get yung foundational skills, and you will be able to follow through. Okay, so matututunan po natin is image generation. Okay, so from the start, actually, kulang po pala itong bullet point. Even before the image generation, meron pa po yung conceptualization, no? Sa Saturday, during the workshop, I will let you use your own imagination for some conceptualization. Better if you're a business owner now or if you're working for a particular organization, then you might um, be able to easily think of a concept kung ano yung gagamitin nyo for talking characters. Okay, so back to the bullet points: image generation, voice creation, the animation of the talking video, plus the audio background and production. Yan, so lahat yan, no, from step 1 to ending step, maaaral po natin itong mga foundational skills na ito. And plus, how to utilize free AI tools. Yung binanggit ko po kanina, no? Maiintindihan nyo kung ano yung free AI tools. At the same time, magkakaroon kayo ng awareness kung paano gamitin efficiently. So may mga tips and strategies po akong binabanggit during the workshop. Now, there's this highlighted yellow prompt direction. Okay? So yung prompt direction, ito po yung pinaka-importante po sa lahat. Okay? We use prompt direction for all these phases. I can't explain this now in details, no, but this is one of the foundation na kailangan nyo ring matutunan, especially when creating prompts. Okay po? Yeah. If I ask you now kung sino yung nagtatype sa ChatGPT ng mga prompt na mano-mano, then you have to attend my Saturday session for you to know kung paano yung efficient way to do it. Don't overkill yourself, no? Wag kung ninyo masyadong gawing complex yung pagpo-prompt. Yeah, there's a way how to effectively do it. Okay, so these are the foundational skills. Ulitin ko lang po, no? Na makukuha nyo sa Saturday to be able to create these types of contents, including the talking character creation workshop. Alright, so ano po yung scope natin? So again po, no, it's 3-hour workshop. So from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ayan, but kailangan po nating magkaroon ng scope. Okay? Kasi po, no, I think you are aware naman na if we try to fit in everything in 3 hours, hindi po natin magagawa ito lahat pare-pareho. Okay? So that's why we need to have a scope. Yung scope po natin is on Saturday. That's why it's titled Talking Character Creation. Is ito pong talking characters or avatars na gagawin po natin. Okay po? Yan. But then again, no, wag po kayong ma-discourage. Tulad nga po nung sinabi ko, is if you learn the foundational skills by focusing on the talking character or avatars, you will be able to understand then how to do this stuff. Okay? I-next ko lang po yan para po malinaw sa expectations nating lahat. No, ang output na magagawa po natin sa Saturday is this one. Yung talking characters. Okay? Malinaw po? Malinaw? Thumbs up please. If malinaw to everyone. May I see thumbs up, guys? Sige, you're still with me? Okay. Sige, thank you ha. So to proceed, ituloy ko lang po. Ha. So as I promised po sa group chat, I don't know if nakita niyo po sa pinned messages yun, no? If we reach at least 10 confirmed participants before Saturday, that means 10 po yung magbayad. Okay? Magdadagdag ako as a gratitude to everyone, magdadagdag po ako ng bonus lesson. Actually, yung 500 fee po talaga is really for talking characters. That's very, very minimal. But if we reach at least 10, then sobrang thank you. And then mag-add po tayo ng bonus lesson. So, ganito po, no? Yung bonus lesson, I let everyone vote kung ano po yung magiging bonus lesson po natin. Okay, so syempre, ang mag-vote po is yung mga paid participants po natin. Alright, the voting happens on Friday, which is yung deadline po natin. Later po, ipakita ko po yung schedule natin. So basically, yung mga magbabayad po ng for this Saturday workshop, sila po yung makakapag-vote. So ano po yung pagpipilian? Right now, I let them choose, or I will let you choose rather, yung product animation, ito po yun. Meron pa pong product storyboard animation, pangalawa. And then pangatlo is Kiddie Birthday Invite Creation. Ito po, magpapakita po ako ng example later on. Okay po? Yan, so malinaw po, no? So if we reach 10 confirmed participants, meron po tayong bonus lesson. So that's why it becomes 3 to 6 p.m. So yung talking characters po natin, 3 to 5 p.m. And then 5 to 6 p.m. is yung bonus lesson. So ngayon, if you ask sa mga previous batches po, no, sa mga previous group, kung ano po yung pinipili nila most of the time pinipili po nila is yung product animation or yung product storyboard animation. Yes, because it's a complete package, no? I mean, if you combine this product animation with a talking character, it's already a complete package. Nakakagawa na po kayo ng affiliate selling. Pakitaan ko po kayo na example, okay? Ito po yung example na ginawa ng mga participants ko before. Hold on. Ito po. Sige. Yan. Ano pong gusto nyo makita muna? Sige, ito muna. Ito, si Louis Vuitton. Tuwan-tuwa po ako dito.
Hindi need na mahal para magmukhang sosyal. Nescafe Black lang? And tumambay sa Starbucks with fake na Louis Vuitton? Sosyal na!
Okay. And so, ito po, no, remember, some of the videos you might find some hindi naman po sila perfect, pero it's really good enough for them considering most of them have zero experience. Yung iba po dito is senior po yung gumawa. Yes, mag-play pa po kayo ng isa. Ito.
Naalala mo pa ba ang Voltes Vi noong bata tayo? Isang tingin lang, bumabalik lahat ng masasayang alaala.
This figure is absolutely incredible. Check out the incredible detail on this guy.
Okay. Another one, construction.
Welcome to the future site of ZJM Trading. ZJM Trading Corp. Building for the future.
Okay, mukhang malaking business po yung itong construction na ito. Ito na maganda, no? It's no longer, ito po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo na foundation, no? One of my participants, nag-create po siya ng talking character, but at the same time, nag-create po siya ng funny clip. Watch niyo po ito, ha?
Dapat fully armored ka para hindi ka mapilantikan ng mantika.
Okay? Ayan. So yun po yung, marami pa po yan, ano? Yeah, that's really funny. Marami pa po yan, pero hindi po natin mapiplay lahat. Magpakita lang po ako ng ibang gawa ko, okay? In terms of product mock-up and animation. Ito po, ano? Ito yung isa sa mga product animation. Gawa ko po ito.
Discover the essence of nature with Natural Essence Perfume. Fresh and unforgettable. Wear confidence every day.
Okay, yan. Simple one po yun. And then, meron din pong affiliate partnership. If aware po kayo, no, sa Facebook, meron pong feature na you can create content for everyone to view and then magkakaroon ng link sa Shopee. So every time na may mag-view at may mag-purchase ng item, meron po kayong commission. Yan. So ganito po yung example niyan. So this is a real product from Shopee. This is product animation and with some,
Every step
some human realistic animation there.
begins with confidence. Designed for everyday comfort, effortless style, and all-day versatility. Whether you're on the move or out with friends, walk with confidence wherever you go. Step into comfort, step into style. Shop now.
Okay, I pause muna, no, dyan sa mga videos. I will go back to the slides. Alright, sige. So again, no, yun po yung most of the time, sineselect po ng participants yung product animation. But let's see, no, baka meron pong ibang mga participants natin ngayon na gusto nila is yung birthday invitation. Oh, by the way, sige, I will show this. I will show yung birthday invitation. Yan. Ganito po. Ganito yung itsura niya.
Hi everyone, our little Nico is turning 5. Please join us this Saturday, February 20th at Captain Hotel for a fun-filled celebration. Bring your kids along, we can't wait for them to join the fun. We're so excited to celebrate with you. See you there.
Again po ha, free AI tools po lahat nung pinakita ko po sa inyong video. Okay? And then you can create birthday greetings. Ito, gawa ko po sa anak ko.
Hey Hugo, I'm your dino alien.
Growing up so fast. Birthday today.
Hugo.
Alright. And you can do a lot more, no? I even create a birthday greeting for my mom with Hollywood stars.
Celebration, laughter, reasons to smile. Enjoy every
Happy 67th birthday.
Teka,
days
Kaya ko
with
yan.
people who love you most.
Kasi sinama ko po yung sarili ko sa Hollywood star. Ayan. So, yeah, there's a lot, no? Maybe later after the session, kung gusto niyo makita yung iba, yan, papakita ko po sa inyo. But let's proceed for now. I will show you yung income opportunities. Yan. So, in terms of income opportunities, I think you know, no, what's happening in the social media right now. You can create advertisements for businesses. Yes, marami pong nag-require niyan. If you go to Upwork, yung yung freelance page, wow, that's worldwide. Marami po talaga naghahanap ng mga gantong skills. And then even in local, I mean in the Philippines, no, tayo yan, marami pa rin pong organizations talaga na naghahanap ng mga gantong unique skills about AI content creation. And if you want to go solo, no, by yourself, you can create viral contents, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And I think you know how to monetize that. When you reach like 10,000 views, million, then that's equivalent to some monetary results. All right, and then you can sell, then you can monetize faceless content, yung gumagawa po ng mga object talking, vegetable talking, ayan, mga educational, yan, ganyan din po. By the way po, no, yung talking character po natin by Saturday, it's not limited to humans. No, if you are someone na would want na educational, I have attended this before na doctors. Yan. So, natutuwa sila kasi they were able to express further yung knowledge nila through these contents. Okay? And up until now, nag-join po siya sa mga free sessions ko po. Yeah. Alright? So, we can produce educational videos. And if you are comfortable doing what I'm doing right now, then you can conduct workshops or coaching sessions. Yeah. I can say na it's really good. Okay? Yan, hindi pa po masyadong saturated. Actually, hindi po talaga. There's really a lot of opportunities. So yung common questions from the people na nag-i-inquire po, especially sa mga estudyante and yung mga senior po natin. Yeah, kung meron pong senior dito, hi po. No, ito po yung common question. Can I really do this? Yan, nagda-doubt sila Baka kasi hindi sila makasabay, no? Nagda-doubt sila, baka kasi gumamit po ako ng mga wording na hindi nila maintindihan. So this one, I can guarantee everyone na this will be an I do you follow approach. So we learn all together step by step. Okay po, walang maiiwan. Yan, minimal technical jargon, simple and easy to follow instructions. Hindi po ako gumagamit, even though I'm an IT professional, hindi po ako gagamit ng mga jargon para po ma-lost kayo. No? I will make sure na yung language po natin is within the context po nitong workshop na talking character creation. Okay po? And then hands-on practice and ulitin ko lang po no na hindi lang po kayo manonood. I encourage everyone, I recommend everyone to really try. Okay po? So you will create alongside with me instead of just watching. And then if ang tanong po pa rin is if you can really do this, the feedback says it all. Pakita ko po yung ibang mga feedback. These are just some of the feedback po kasi I've been doing this since April, late March. Ayan, and not to brag po, no, I really get very generous remarks from the participants. Yung naka-highlight na red, the first one on the left, this is from a senior. No, because marami po siyang tanong, and then I always start the session by reminding everyone to respect people regardless of their experience. Yun po, no? Respect the pacing, respect the questions. So, kaya wag po kayong mag-alala. Alright? Okay, so second one, yung sa right side is ito po yung doctor po na nag-attend sa akin. I'm really happy na happy siya. And then this one. So learnings po nila, takeaways that they can use it for affiliate marketing and other opportunities. So and then po, no, I think I sent this to the group as well. You can check it. And in-screenshot ko lang po yung ibang mga comments dun sa post ko din sa social media. Ayan, si Sir Joji. Yan, nalimutan ko na namang tanggalin yung name niya. I intend na hindi po ipakita yung names ha, kasi po I really value yung confidentiality. Ayusin ko po ito. Si Sir Joji. Okay? Yan, natuwan-tuwa lang po siya kasi po, no, nag-a-attend pa rin po sila sa mga free sessions ko. I will explain later. Yes, I have free sessions. Yan, meron po akong participant na creator na po rin talaga in social media. Gumagawa naman siya ng mga love stories, cartoons. And then I have a student participant na nakapag-take po ng summer job. And nung nakuha po niya yung summer job, binalikan niya ako. Tuwan-tuwa lang po siya. He's very thankful. And I said, yun nga, sabi ko malayo-layo yung mararating niya with that kind of mindset. Considering estudyante po yun, ha? And I see a lot of students focus more on games, but this one, yun, nag-approach sa akin, he wants to upskill to get a job to, para kumita. And then it happened. Yan po. So it's, aside from monetary na nakukuha ko is, I think what's valuable mostly is yung mga gantong feedback from my participants. Okay? Sige. So what you will receive? Okay, what you will receive first is the online live session sa Saturday. Magkakasama po tayo dyan. And then next is the PDF copy of the slides. So after the session, may bibigay po ako ng PDF copy which contains the guides, step-by-step procedure. Okay, para meron po kayong ma-review din together with the recording of the session. So yes po, yung Saturday, i-record po natin yan. Ito lang po, no, if you are deciding to join by now, please prepare an email address. Gmail po dapat na ginagamit nyo sa YouTube. Because the recording, I will upload it to YouTube and it will be set to private. Exclusive to everyone po yan because you pay for it and then you effort for it. So sa inyo lang, okay? Basta mag-prepare po kayo ng Gmail. account. Ayan. And then, it has a certificate. Yes. Magbibigay po ako ng certificate. Ito po yung itsura niyan. Ayan po. Ganito po yung itsura ng certificate po natin. Okay. And then, I encourage everyone to have some sample output, but it's not mandatory naman. No? Meron po kasing mga participants na gusto nilang magkaroon pa ng time pa nila to be able to produce an output. It's okay. No? I just encourage everyone to have sample output for the certificate. And bonus lesson, na-explain ko na po kanina, no, na magkakaroon tayo ng voting, at least 10 participants. And ito po yung pinaka-importante. No? Baka po may magtatanong kung pwedeng mag-rejoin. So yes, I allow it. You can rejoin any Saturday session. For example, nagsettle po kayo ng payment today or before Saturday. And then for some reasons, hindi kayo maka-attend ng Saturday, it's okay. Do not worry because first, I will still send to you the recording. And secondly, I will welcome you next Saturday to join me live. Kaya ganun po yun. So, yun yung isang use case. Pangalawang use case, you settle your payment, you attended this Saturday, can you still rejoin the next Saturday? The answer is yes. Pwede po kayong mag-rejoin para po makapag-practice po kayo or makapag-review. Okay? Sounds good, everyone? Sounds good? And question, what if hindi ako available na this Saturday and next Saturday? It's okay. Just let me know kung kailang Saturday ka available. I welcome everyone. So, this Saturday, actually, meron po kayong makakasama from my previous batch, which is last week. Kaya kasi, ang reason is gusto niyo lang pong mag-attend ulit for review. Yeah. Okay? So, we are that flexible. Sige po. Another surprise, everyone, another surprise is that you will get privileged access to my free learning sessions. Yes po, I provide free learning sessions just to make everyone happy. Okay, because you made me happy once, I will make you happy multiple times. Yan, every Tuesday, nag-set po ako ng free session. Yung next session po natin, next week Tuesday, ang topic po is this one. Ayan. Nag-iiba-iba po ako ng lesson, ha? Ayan. So, yung free lesson po next week, for all my participants, for all my alumni, is this one. Business logo, creation, and animation. Gusto niyo po makita? Pakita ko sa inyo. So, kung nalagay yan. Ito. Yan, nasa download pala.
From massive projects to precision craftsmanship, Steelworks delivers strength, quality, and excellence in every structure. Built with precision, built to last.
Alright, so yung nakita nyo po na animation ng logo, yon. So yun po yung business logo creation and animation. Ibibigay ko po ito as free next Tuesday. Exclusive po ito ha, for alumni. Yan. So kung sino po yung uma-attend sa akin ng Saturday, sila po yung wini-welcome ko for free lesson. Ayan. And then, narinig niyo po yung voice over. Ako po yun. No, it's not me. I mean, that's my voice. I trained an AI model to copy my voice, and then I recorded yung statement na yun. And guess what? Nagawa ko po yun ng free without credits. Yes. Yes po. And ito po, no, another surprise. After the session next week, which is August 25, the next week after that, ibibigay ko po yun as free ulit, free lesson. Again, no, I want to make you guys happy multiple times. Ayan. So, another lesson po yan. Okay po? Sige. So ready to join? Everyone? Okay, let me check the time, ha? It's 9:34. Yeah, we have marami pa tayong minutes. Okay, so I will show a lot more here. Okay, so stay with me. So yung workshop setup po natin, ganito po may nagtatanong po kasi if they can join via mobile phone. The answer is yes, you can join via mobile phone, pero baka po mahirapan po sila. Kasi nga po, tulad po ng sinabi ko, this is a hands-on workshop na gagawa po kayo ng output nyo. So I prefer laptop and desktop. I recommend to use laptop or desktop. Okay po? Pero if wala po talagang computer, it's okay. Join using mobile phone. Yun lang. Konting adjustment lang po, ha? Especially sa layout. Okay po? Yan. Next is stable internet. This is really, really important. Kailangan nyo po ng internet na maayos-ayos para po hindi po kayo ma-interrupt. Kasi po, it will be really progressive, no? I mean, we will not waste any seconds here. Tuloy-tuloy po yung work session natin. That's why I included here yung backup mobile data. Okay. So yung backup mobile data is your internet is your home internet. Yung backup is if you have a mobile phone, no, might as well load it or kung postpaid, okay. Kung walang load, pwedeng lagyan nyo ng kaunti. Kasi nga po, just in case nagkaroon kayo ng interruption sa home internet nyo, you can easily switch, you can quickly switch to mobile data. So walang masyadong disruption on your end. Browsers, this is my personal suggestion, Edge or Chrome, this is really, really good. But make sure po no, na updated po yan, yung browsers po ninyo. Okay, i-update nyo na kung mag-join kayo sa Saturday, update nyo na po yan kasi I have participants before na nagkakaroon sila ng problem because of their browser version, luma. No, meron silang hindi nakikita na button. Yan. Even when I conduct workshops sa universities about LMS, this is one common problem. Yung ibang faculties nagdadala ng personal computers nila na hindi po updated, yun, nagkakaroon ng problema. Sige, charger ready. I think this one is pretty straightforward. You know this headset. Notepad po is, I refer to the text editing tool. Okay? Because I'm a Windows user, that's why it's Notepad. I'm not sure lang po sa mga naka-Mac po dito, no, or other operating system. Yeah, but nonetheless, please prepare text editing tool kasi po magta-type po tayo ng something sa Saturday. Okay po? Ayan. And then lastly is yung Gmail account na nakaset po sa YouTube po ninyo. May mga cases po ako no na after the session, sinishare ko na po yung by the way, after the session po no, magpo-provide po ako ng form dyan where you will input your full name and the email address. Doon ko po kinukuha yung email address for the access to the recording. Ayan. So ito po yung Gmail account dito. Okay, klaro po ha. If you have questions, you can type it in the chat. Later on, I will open the floor to everyone. You can unmute yourself. Okay po? Sige. So preparation checklist, I sent this to the group already in the pinned messages. But let me just reiterate po no, na ito po yung mga free AI tools na gagamitin natin. So we have ChatGPT, Gemini Copilot. Yes, this is intentional. Kindly create accounts on these three. Baka po isipin nyo, baka pwedeng ChatGPT na lang. No po, no. I have very important thing to mention about these three. And then 11 Labs, Google Flow, Canva Free, and ImagineX. ImagineX, awaiting update. Ito po, heads up lang po, no, na previously, ImagineX po kasi yung ginagamit ko. One of the tools na ginagamit ko for the animation, it's really, really good. It's just that, 4 weeks ago, nagkaroon po ng major update. Ayaw na niya magbigay ng free credits. Okay, unlike the rest here, we have free credits. Okay po? Ayan, so sa ImagineX, we are still awaiting update. But I'm updating everyone, no? Just in case makareceive po ako ng update for Imaginext, I emailed them kasi about it. And then, anytime na nakakakuha po ako ng tools then na bago, I inform all of you. I inform all my participants. Yan. So, do not subscribe. Ito po yung pinaka-importante, ha? Huwag po kayong magsasubscribe even though you think it's just a penny for you, then do not subscribe. Intention po dito is I want you to understand yung yung scope ng free AI tools as part of the foundation knowledge, no? I want you to understand everything in terms of free AI tools versus the subscription, no? So maybe after our session, if you get really you need to commercialize all the stuff na ginagawa nyo. You think to step up, then that's the time you can freely decide. I mean, that's my recommendation. You can decide to subscribe. But ano po, no? Hindi ko kayo pinagbabawalan. If you want to subscribe now, it's okay. I'm just emphasizing na with free AI tools, magagawa po natin yung mga pinakita ko. Okay po. Ayan. So next schedule, again, every Saturday, it's 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. That's the regular hour. But it becomes 3 to 6 p.m. kapag na-unlock po natin, no, yung 1 hour bonus lesson. Ayan. So if may magtanong, strict po ba yung up to 6 p.m.? Actually, no. I'm very, very flexible. Yan. Most of the time, nag-exceed po. Yan. Gusto ko lang pong ibanggitin, especially for everyone na mag-i-schedule ahead. No. Yan. So, kapag mag-schedule po kayo, kindly expect na lang, kindly anticipate na posible pong mag-exceed ng beyond 6 p.m. Few minutes lang naman. Okay? And ito po, another very important reminder to everyone, join 10 to 15 minutes early. Kasi di po ako sanay sa Filipino time. Yes, I start at exact 9 p.m. I start at exact 3 p.m. This is in respect to everyone na nagjo-join ng early. Hindi po ako pwedeng bumalik ng topic, hindi ko po kayo pwedeng balikan. So, yeah, join 10 to 15 minutes early. Okay. Alright. So, ang last slide po natin is about the payment procedures. So, ito po, ito po yung GCash ko. You can scan it now if you wish to. But yung deadline po natin is Friday at 6 p.m. Baka po may magtanong, bakit po Friday at 6 p.m.? It's because I have another topic session ng Friday at 8 p.m. Hindi ko po muna i-offer sa inyo yun, kasi I don't want you to get info overloaded. Yes, I have another session ng Friday about another lesson. Yeah. Siguro i-share ko na lang po yun after your experience with me on Saturday. Then you may want to decide kung mag-join po kayo by next Friday. Okay po? Ayan. So, focus po muna tayo sa Talking Character Creation Workshop. And then, you may send your confirmation. Why po? Sad. Ayan. Sige. So, you may send your confirmation in the group. Wait po, ha? Wait. Yeah, in the group or in the page po, kung saan ko po kayo kinausap ng affiliates ko po, sa page. You can send the confirmation there. Yeah, by the way, I have affiliates. Minsan sila po yung naggumagamit ng page ko. Pero dun po sa group, ako po yun mismo. So, no cancellation. And then, workshop fee, I think it's pretty minimal, everyone, 500. And this is my GCash number. By the way po, I really wanted this to be a focused learning session. So, yeah, as much as possible, we maximum 20. So, first come, first serve na lang po tayo. Reserve your slot. Mas how to say? mas manageable. Yan. So yung previous batch ko po is around 14, 15. Yan. Sige po. So my question, okay, let me check the chat window. Are you using Kling? Sir Mars, no. I'm not using Kling. I'm not using Sedans. Yan po yung dalawang gusto kong itry din. Pero I'm still focused with the free AI tools, which is quite good pa rin naman. It was able to provide yung requirement ko. Yeah. Meron lang po akong isang requirement na, well, sa sarili ko po, no, na hindi ko makuha is yung cinematic effects ng Kling and ng Sedans. Gustong-gusto ko po yung sa Sedans. I will arrive on that. Yeah, but for now, yeah, it's more of the free AI tools. Sunday sessions. Sir Chris, wala po eh. Yeah. Ayun po, tuloy ko lang po pala. That's why its deadline is Friday 6 p.m. Aside from, yun nga, sa gabi is may session po ako, is kinabukasan, family time po kasi yun. So we will see each other at 3 p.m. na po talaga. Ayan. Okay?
Pwede magtanong?
Yes, sir. Opo.
Bali, meron bang, yung bang AI knowledge niyo galing sa inyong self-study o galing sa mismong school ninyo, eskwelahan?
I see. Yeah, thanks for the question, sir. Yeah, I really like the question. It's something na hindi ko na-share. Yeah. So, sir, first is siguro 80, 20, 10. Yan. Yung 80 is self-exploration po talaga. Yeah, that's the 80. Yung 20 is I watch other influencers then. Yes, I watch videos sa Facebook and sa YouTube. By watching them, dun ko po na-realize talaga na hindi lahat po pwedeng makasunod. No? I'm not saying hindi po siya helpful. They are helpful. No? It's really good that they share something free in short clips, ganyan. Pero ang realization ko is everyone must understand the baseline, which is yung foundation, the concept, the theoreticals, not just following instructions, not just copying prompts. Yung 20, sir, no? And yung 10 is ChatGPT po. Yeah, I use ChatGPT to train me. I do that, yes. Even with other platforms. I do that po.
Sir, yung po bang ChatGPT, meron po bang bayad yan? O libre po? Kasi minsan pag gumagamit ako yan, sabi hanggang ganito ka na lang, ano ka na lang, may limit. Parang gusto kong mag-subscribe sana eh. Paano po ba?
Okay. Yeah. Sir, ganito po, balikan ko po yung slide ko about the... asan yun? Okay, ito. I-connect ko na po lahat ng platform, sir, ha? So, in ChatGPT and all these platforms here, and lahat po ng wala po sa listahan, please take note, all of these are in the form of a business. Yan, business po yan. Because behind these platforms, behind sa nakikita natin ng mga platforms nowadays, are infrastructures na minamaintain ng mga organization. So, it's a business, wala po talagang free. No? Ang binibigay po sa atin ng mga yan is free taste. Yung free taste na yan, kapag nagustuhan natin, then kapag mag-i-scale up po tayo, you really need to subscribe. Yeah, so to answer your question, sir, hindi po, merong free, no, pero it has subscription, depende na po dun sa requirements ninyo personally. Okay po? Yeah, if, for example, sa akin is I'm not doing this for any organization na nag-expect, like for example, na makapag-create ako ng 10 to 20 videos a day. Hindi po kasi ako yun no? I have my own time, I create my own content, and then I teach. So that's why I'm really okay with free AI tools. Another thing is, for example, if you're someone na gusto nyo na magkaroon ng maraming followers by creating contents sa FB, then say for example 3 contents a day is good enough for free AI tools. You can use free AI tools for that kind of setup, no? Affiliate marketing, no? I think nabanggit ko po kanina na you can sell a product on behalf of other people, you get commissions, then you can use free AI tools. So lahat po ng pinakita ko kanina is free AI tools. So depende na po talaga sir, no? Depende sa requirement po ninyo. Kung magsasubscribe po kayo or hindi. Yeah, but the answer to the question is hindi po siya free. I mean ChatGPT has free version and has subscription. Okay, kapag kailangan niyo na po ng mag-scale, hindi na po siya free. Ayun po.
Doon po ako magpapatulong sa inyo, sir, kasi parang gusto kong i-maximize sana yung ChatGPT. Pero hindi ko alam paano gagawin. Thank you, sir.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir. Hopefully by Saturday, you will really understand yung credits consumption. Yeah, I explained that as well. Actually, this is the reason. Banggitin ko na po to everyone, ano? This is the reason why we are using multiple platforms. Ayan, kasi po, we are delegating tasks. Since we are free version users nitong platforms, we delegate tasks. We want to make sure na na-scatter po natin yung credits consumption. Ayan, nabanggit ko na po, no? This is actually for Saturday. That's one tip from me. That's why I'm using multiple platforms para minimal yung use. Okay po? Ayan. Sige, i-check ko po yung ibang question, no? Namamonetize po ba yung AI video? Ma'am Joanne, yes. Namamonetize po yan. Meron pong, let me see, ma'am, ha? Ano po ako dyan, Naka-follow po ako sa YouTube group. Okay, I will not do it now. Yeah, pero may group po diyan sa Facebook about why YouTube creators. Ayan. Ang dami pong nagmo-monetize using AI. Ma'am Rosel? No, ma'am. No need to download. Everyone, no need to download po ha. Kasi all of these are browser-based. So when we say browser-based, i-access nyo lang po siya sa Google or Edge. And then, yeah, no need to download any apps. Okay po? Ayan. By the way, isa-send ko po ulit yung pre-instructions. Pre-workshop instructions. So, andun po yung mga links. Hold on. Let me show. Nasaan na? Ito po yung itsura niyan. Isisend ko po sa group natin, everyone. Yan. Ito po yung pre-workshop instructions. I-click nyo na lang po, para madali nyo mapuntahan. Kindly read lang po yung ibang reminders natin. Meron lang pong optional dito, OBS. Yan, optional po yan. Ito po is kailangang i-install talaga. If marunong po kayo, then install nyo. Because I have something to say about this on Saturday. If hindi naman po, okay lang. Just leave it be. Okay? Ito lang po yung i-prepare ninyo. And my recommendation is you use one Gmail account for everything para madali po kayo mag-transition. Seamless po yung transition natin from one platform to another. All right. Another question? Okay. Paano malaman kung updated? All right po. Ma'am, ito po, Pakita ko. Ito po yung browser ko, yung Edge. So you can look at the top right portion, yung tatlong dot dyan. You can click that. And then, hanapin nyo po yung help and feedback. Okay. And then about Microsoft Edge. Ayan, andyan po yung version. Yung latest version, hindi po ako aware. Pero naka-automatic ano po kasi ako eh. Naka-automatic update po ako. Yung computer ko. Okay po. By the way, itong image ko. Yeah, I created this. I included myself sa movie na tag dito, Gladiator. Ayan na. Sample videos. Ito po yun. Pakita ko. Long hair po ako before. Ayan. And then, date with Hollywood star.
Be honest, if I accidentally part in front of you, are you going to judge me? Or are we already that comfortable?
If you fart in front of me, I'll judge you. But I'll also stay.
Perlani. And then, Avatar.
Eyes of Pandora, one small soul rides the wind. Fearless, joyful.
Ayan, so by just getting the foundations po, no, makakagawa po kayo ng ganito. I tried yung sikat na paludo. Ayan. Ito po ibang mga videos. Ito po, educational, inspirational. Ayan. And then, music video. Some of my songs, ginawan ko po ng short clip. Ayan, tingnan niyo po ito, no? About the father and the son. Actually, ako po ito sa kayong anak ko. Ayan, watch niyo po.
Slow down, little river. Don't run so wide. You were just on my shoulder, now you're waving from the drive. If time's gonna take you, I'll still be right here, laughing through the change and fear. Slow down, little river, I'll be right here. Slow down, little river, don't.
Nakakalungkot po, no? Pero that's the reality. Ayan. Yeah. So, question? Another question?
Sir, meron ba kayong learning video ng AI?
Learning video, sir? No po eh.
Kaya e-book na pwede kong basahin.
Wala po, sir eh. Oo, mas prefer ko po talaga na na live na magturo, sir. And then may recording.
By all means, I will go to your training at the same time read and look at the learning video para mas mabilis yung pacing ng learning.
Actually, sir, kompleto din naman po, no? Pakita ko po sa inyo yung yung slides ko for Saturday. This one. So it's pure guide. Ay, asan na? Ayan po. Ayan. So may mga steps and hands-on activity. Yan. Ganyan po siya, no? So you may use it as the ebook din, sir. Okay. Yeah, pero as a formal, a digital book na sinesell ko po online, no po eh. Hindi po talaga. Oo. And by the way po, no, yan, since you're still here, i-share ko lang po na I'm creating another workshop session about creating children's book. Yeah, let me show you. Ito yung sample book ko. This for my son again. Yan. Nagbibigay po talaga ako ng mga regalo sa anak ko na pang lifetime. Ayan. So, share ko na po sa inyo. Yeah, so this is really my own story. Tapos, of course, with the AI skill po natin, no? Yeah, nakapagawa po ako ng ganito. Okay po. So ito po yung in-next na ko din. I'm still working on it. If you are interested, you may let me know. Ang inclusion po niyan is creating the children's book plus getting certified sa NBDB and publishing sa Amazon. Yeah, I have these books published in Amazon. Okay? That's another way to monetize.
Dalawa ng message ko dyan.
Ano, sir? Sorry?
Mag-join po ko with my wife.
Sige, sir. Opo. I will update everyone po once okay na. Okay po? And then yung isa, actually, is, hold on po ha. Ito po. Pero, don't think of it for now. Ipapakita ko lang na this is every Friday. Okay? Ayan. Meron po akong ganito na session din. More of using our own image for cinematics. Sige. This is something to to think about after the Saturday session. Yeah, I really wanted everyone to focus first sa Saturday. And other questions? Yung copyright po, no? Hold on. Saglit. Sagutin ko po yung copyright. Ayan. Sir Sherwin, yung sa copyright, yes, it's a really good question. Everyone, in terms of copyright, be very, very careful. Ganito po, no, yung random prompts po natin sa ChatGPT, it's okay. Yan. Pero yung iba po kasi, kumukuha ng image from other sources, and then gagamitin yun, i-include sa sarili nilang environment. And that's wrong po, no? Doon makaka-copyright po kayo. Ayan. I mean, makaka-copyright issue po kayo.
Sir Sherwin po ito.
Sir Sherwin, opo.
About doon kasi kanina nakita ko, di ba, you're using the photos of the Hollywood actors and some local artists.
Yeah.
Makaka-copyright po ba yun?
Yes po. Yes. The answer is yes. Hindi ko po ikakaila yon kasi that's for my mom only. Pinakita ko lang po talaga sa inyo. Yan, sinare ko yun sa mom ko since birthday niya. I just want to make her happy. At the end of the video is yung papa ko yun, saka ako. Yan, so to answer...
Thank you, sir. So the Avatar then po and some Disney movies copyrighted na po siya, no?
Yes po, opo.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, i-elaborate ko lang po ha, for everyone. That's the reason why, kung makikita niyo po yung page ko, wala pong local celebrities. Yeah, I don't do that. Yan, kasi po, posible, yun po, may K na habulin po tayo. Kasi local yan, taga-Pinas yan eh. Yung mga Hollywood, they won't care siguro. That's petty for them. Yan, pero kung kumikita ka doon ng million-million and you are using their faces, they're using their products, copyright ka, madidemanda ka po. Yan, that's why thank you sir for bringing that up. I always mention during the workshop na kung gagawa po sila ng content na hihiramin niyo yung resource ng iba, always add credits. Yan. Mag-credit to the owner po kayo. Kahit sa bandang ilalim lang ng context.
Thank you, Coach.
That's the safest way to do it. Thank you, Sir Win. Ma'am Rosel, okay, music video. Opo. Yan. I'm planning din po, ma'am, yung songs creation. Pero wala pa po eh. Hindi pa po available. Okay, yung animation ng cartoons, I give it free session. Yes, last 2 weeks ago, nag-provide po ako ng free session about it. Animation. Gusto niyo pong makakita ng example? Yeah, pakita ko po, no? Since you're still here. Ito po. Anime.
I may still be a student, but every lesson makes me stronger. Every mistake sharpens my resolve. Today, I don't fight to prove I'm the strongest.
Ayun po. So, depende po sa demand. Kung sakaling mag-request po yung mga participants ko, then I can repeat it. Kailan natapos na po kasi. So, yung next week is about the brand logo po muna. Brand logo creation and animation. Sa TikTok, FB, yes po. Yeah, lahat po actually ng social media platforms. But kindly check na lang po yung requirements po nila, no? Because to be honest, I'm not using TikTok and ano po ito? Instagram. Yeah, I already have too much to maintain them po kasi. So sa Facebook na lang po muna. Okay, Ma'am Rosel, ilang sessions? No need po. You just pay once and then you can attend as many times as you wish every Saturday. Ganun no. Yung session po natin, makukumpleto po yan in 3 hours. Yes. So lahat po nung examples po kanina from previous participants ko, they completed them, some of them within the 3 hours. Yung iba po is after the session, they did it by themselves. Yan. Siguro mga few days bago sila makapag-submit ng output, which is reasonable naman po, no? Yan. Hindi naman po lahat is pare-pareho ng pacing. Okay. Ma'am Rosel, thank you for the kind words. Okay, hold on po ha. Sir Eric? Yes po, Sir Eric, recorded po. Recorded po ito. Yung Saturday session. And binibigay ko rin po by 10 p.m. ng Saturday. Nagbe-break lang po ako ng few hours after the 6 p.m. Then bumabalik po ako ng 10 p.m. Ibibigay ko po yung recording along with the certificates and the PDF. Clips of songs. Okay, maganda po yung tanong ni Ma'am Carmina. Yung sounds po, no? Or okay. Sige, ganito. So yung mga examples po na pinakita ko is lahat po yon is template audio clips ng Canva. Yun po, no? So in terms of copyright, wala naman po. Kasi Canva allows you to use that. No? But for the songs, iba po yun. posibleng ma-copyright po kayo if you don't follow the standard way of adding that song. For example, po no, nagpost kayo sa FB and then ginamit po ninyo yung kanta ng kung sino man, okay lang 'yon. Kasi that's within the standard procedure. No, they allow you to use it. That's why it's there. Pero kung I'm not sure on this one, I'm not sure, no? I'm assuming na kapag hindi nyo finalo yun, for example, gumawa kayo ng content and then kinlip out nyo somewhere yung kanta, tas nilagay nyo, in-embed nyo dun sa content, then that's something na unusual. So that's something na questionable. I know. So, yeah, just be safe na lang po, no? Yeah, be mindful pala rather. Be mindful of the steps. Kapag readily available naman po, hindi naman po kayo makapiright. Sir Sherwin, thank you po. Opo. Short movies. Yes, Sir Eric. Opo. Ganito po, no? Ayan. So, maganda po yung tanong ni Sir Eric. In terms of creating short movies. Yan. Ito po yung reason kung bakit ko po hindi sinasama as separate workshop yung movie creation. Because sobrang tagal po niya gawin. Oho. Hold on po. Maybe while I'm explaining, I want to show something here. I tried it, sir. Nag-create po ako ng short movie. I don't know if it's just me, but it takes me more than a week po eh. Yeah. So, what I do to help others is I provide free session about animation. Actually, sir, no, when you attend the Saturday, everyone, by the way, if you attend the Saturday, yung foundation po ng animation na ituturo ko po sa inyo, is magagamit nyo na to create cinematic movies. Totoo po yun. Kasi it's all about storyboard. Yan. For example, ito po, no? Yan. Storyboard po yan. Yan. So, i-explain ko po yan by Saturday. So, when you have storyboard, you can create stories, no? Yeah. Tulad po nito. Yan. Storyboard po yan. You can animate everything here. So, gawin po natin yan sa free session. Okay? Pakita ko po sa inyo, no? Ito po. Ito pong example na yeah, this one. Okay, while it's loading, maybe I tend to other questions. Hold on. Ayan, nag-load na siya. I-play ko po. So, tingnan nyo na po yung environment. Ayan, so basically po, no, ito po yung project files ko about movies and then the timeline. So, play ko po saglit.
Dead rise to claim the world of the living. The undead march without fear.
Ayan, hindi ko na po ibuuin, ano? Pinakita ko lang, no, na talagang medyo, ano po siya, tedious.
Ano po yan, sir? CapCut?
Sir?
Ano pong up yung ginamit niyo sa pag-edit? CapCut?
Clipchamp po yun, sir. Clipchamp. Sa Microsoft po yun, Clipchamp ito, sir. Ayan. Free lang din po yan yung ginamit ko. Ang ginamit ko po yan kasi meron po akong gustong boses sa Clipchamp. Yeah, may boses po kasi doon na saktong-sakto sa ganung sense ng movie. Yung medyo medieval. Yeah, but most of the time I use Canva po for production. Ayan, lahat po ng session
Meron
Yeah,
din po
yes,
ba kayong tutorial sa Canva? Yeah? Tutorial sa
Sir,
Canva?
sir.
Nagko-conduct din kayo ng tutorial sa Canva?
Hindi po sir, pero kasama na po ito sa Saturday, sir. Yeah, but of course, ano po, no, limited parts nung Canva. I mean, hindi po natin madadaanan lahat. But yeah, I include it on Saturday step by step din po. Okay po. Ayan, may tanong po si Ma'am Janet. Hold on, ha? Yes po, Ma'am Janet. Yeah. Every Saturday. Just let me know po, ano? Kasi hindi ko po naman ma-update kayo from time to time sa group natin. Yeah, just let me know kung kailan po kayo mag-attend and I will welcome you. But if you settle the payment now or before Saturday, then I will give you the recording nung Saturday, even if you haven't joined it. Okay po. Ma'am Joanne, yung ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, for creating prompts, creating prompts. Yes and no. Yes and no, Ma'am Joanne. I will explain on Saturday po, ha? But for Copilot, there's something else. Sa Saturday, surprise na lang po. Saturday. Okay? Ayan. Thank you, Sir Eric. Thank you, Ma'am Janet. Thank you, everyone. If you have questions, I'm still here. I can extend up to 10:30. Okay po, but yung iba po na kailangan ng mag-jump out, it's okay po, no? Feel free to jump out. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you once more, no, before we end the session, for your commitment. Joining here is already a commitment. Thank you very much. If just in case hindi po kayo mag-proceed, okay lang po, no hard feelings. No? Yan, sige. So thank you. Hopefully, I see you Saturday. Pasuyo na lang po nitong bagay-bagay. Ito pong nasa screen. Okay po, and I will send my details din po sa group chat natin so that you can see it or refer to it. Should you settle the payment some other time or some other day? Okay? Sige.
Coach, may question po ako.
Ma'am, yes po.
Coach, may project po kasi ako. Yung project ko po is make short video, educational video ng EMT or yung 911.
Okay.
Apo. Ang ano ko po kasi is, minsan nagbabago yung, let's say yung mga prompt natin na gine-generate kay ChatGPT, di ba? Tapos, pag i-generate mo na siya, image to video, nag-iiba kasi yung ano niya eh. Yung mga, let's say yung scene. So dito po sa session natin na to, parang may matututunan po ba ako o may makukuha ako dito sa session natin dun sa paid session natin?
On how to deal with that challenge? Yes, ma'am. Opo. Marami po kasing ways on how to animate. Do you use frames, ma'am?
Hindi po. Ano lang po talaga. Sa ChatGPT. Nagde-depend lang ako kay ChatGPT.
Okay. Yeah. Meron po tayong tinatawag na frames animation. Yun po yung pinaka how to say? Hold on. I'm lost for words. Pinaka accurate compared to other. Meron po kasi tinatawag na ingredients and frames. Yan. Explain ko po yan sa Saturday.
Okay.
Ayan. So, meron pong frames. Kapag frames po yung ginamit nyo, kung ano po yung image from ChatGPT, yun po yung sinusunod niya.
Okay.
But I'm not saying 100%, ma'am, ha? Because AI can sometimes make mistake po talaga.
Yes po. Kasi
that's reality po kasi talaga, ma'am, no? Yeah.
Pero mauutusan po si Flow, let's say si Flow, kasi ang usually na, let's say sa AED, 2 pads lang daw po yung nilalagay sa AED. But yung na-generate ko kay Flow is 3. Sabi nung client
okay.
ko, no, we're just using 2 pads on that. Mauutusan po ba siya na re-generate niya na, let's say, specific prompt na make 2 pads? Parang ganun po.
Yes po. Yes. The answer is yes. Yes, ma'am. Ganda po ano. If you can, everyone, if you can see this, no. Hold on. Yun po yung gusto ko, ma'am, actually sa ImagineX. Okay? Yan. Papakita ko po sa inyo. Let me check if I have an example here. Hold on. Okay.
There. I'm creating.
Yan. Ito po, no, ma'am. Kaya po itong ImagineX, before, nung nagbibigay po siya ng credits, ito po talagang isang pinapakita ko. Sobrang galing po niya in terms of accuracy.
Hi there. Hi
Ito
there.
po. Click ko lang ho, no? Hindi makita yung image. Yeah. Ito yung image ko. Ito rin po yung
Hi
animation
there.
niya mismo.
I'm created by II Captain. Imagine create.
Ayan po, no? So if you think you really can't provide the accurate output sa Google Flow, you may want to consider this. Considering nasa organization po kayo, ma'am, no? If they really require you to have yung accurate animation, consider ImagineX. Meron po yung pricing here, you can check. Ito po, no? Opo. Kailangan nyo lang po mag-subscribe sa ngayon kasi tumigil na po silang mag-provide ng free credits. Before, I have 100, 200 credits. Kaya po nagagawa ko po ito dito. Ayan. Ayun, ma'am. But yes, sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Yes po. Please.
Opo. Kasi sa Flow lang po talaga ako nag-generate ng mga videos.
Okay. Pero ma'am, I have a technique po doon sa Flow. Yeah, yun po yung by frames. And another one is agent, pero medyo ano po yun.
Frames and ano po yung isa? Ingredients po ba yun?
Ingredients.
Opo,
Yes.
yun.
Most likely, ma'am, you are using ingredients. Or, yeah. Kaya po nagkakaroon ng counting. Kasi ingredients is an inspiration of.
So yung
Frame
po
is,
kasi nakapanood ako ng isang session nyo before. So in-apply ko yun. Yung free session nyo last time, yung animation, na-apply ko po yun.
Okay.
Yes.
Ayan pala. Hi, ma'am.
Thankful for that po kasi nakapag-provide ako ng videos and pinakita ko yung client and he's interested. Yun nga lang, may konting kailangang ayusin.
Yes.
So, thank you for that free session.
Opo. Ma'am Janet, thank you. And everyone, no, si Ma'am Janet naka-attend po pala ng session ko.
Isang beses lang po yun. Talagang nakatulong po.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you. Sige po, by Saturday, let's do it again. I-specify po natin yung strict lock identities para gamitin natin yung ultra realistic human this time. Try po natin yung kung saan pong if you can try po no yung video na ginamit nyo na nagkaroon ng konting error. Yan, ulitin po natin by Saturday. Okay, ma'am?
Kaya lang hindi po ako makaka-attend sa natin madaling araw po.
Okay.
Pero ano po, sa recording po, and then dalawa po kaming mag-join today. Yung isa taga Pilipinas. Pero siya na lang.
Wala po kayo sa Pinas ngayon, ma'am?
Wala po.
Different time zone po ba kayo?
13 hours difference po.
I see. 13 hours. Europe, ma'am?
US po.
US, I see. Okay. Sige
pero
po.
nakatulong po talaga yung naka-create talaga ako ng video and Kaya naging interested akong ituloy.
Sige ma'am, thank you po ha. Salamat po. Salamat.
Opo.
Ayan, other question? Thank you, Ma'am Narisa. Thank you, Ma'am Rosel, Sir Edward, Ma'am Lovely Joy, everyone. Thank you so much. Sige, any other question? Habang wala pa po, no? If you want to stay, I can show other example of the videos. Map up. Ay, napakita ko na po pala ito. Meron po akong binigay may ginawa po ako for mga kids na mga nagbe-birthday. If you're a parent or if you know someone na magbe-birthday and may tema po sila, for example, jungle, and gusto nyo pong bigyan sila ng idea na merong backdrop, for example, malaking TV, pwede silang mag-play ng something for that birthday. Actually, nag-provide po ako, kaya lang hindi ko napapansin ng mga tao. Ito po, no? It's a generic greeting from a tiger, and then background is jungle, and then nag-create po ako ng sariling music for this then. Ito po, i-play ko po.
Roar! Happy birthday, kiddo! Your jungle friends are all here, and I'm wishing you a day full of fun, laughter, and yummy cake. Have a
into the
roaring,
jungle,
wild,
follow the vines and the drum. All of your friends in a circle. Look how the lions
Ayan, look po yan ng ilang minutes.
have come.
You know, just provide some additional excitement sa birthday. Free po ito. Nasa YouTube ko po yan, kaya lang I'm not sure if nakikita po ng mga tao.
Like elephants.
Okay, marami po yan eh.
Hi sir, pwede po magtanong?
Yes po, sir. Yes sir.
Sir, kung tapos kami, sa Saturday po, tapos na yung session nito. Yun na po yung last.
Yun po yung complete session, sir.
Complete session.
Complete na po yan, sir. Pero you can join me again to practice or to review. Sorry, I burped. To practice or review next Saturday.
Kung gusto pang
join me
matuto
anytime,
talaga.
sir. Opo.
Then after nito, sir, matututo na kaming gumawa ng mga content, ganun.
Opo, sir. Basta follow niyo po ako, sir, ha? Just follow through and then prepare everything before Saturday para po seamless po yung learning session po natin. Oho.
Guaranteed talaga to, sir, na matutunan namin, makagawa na kami.
Opo, well, sir, ano po, no? Yes, if you attend yung complete session from 3 to 6 p.m., wala po kayong mamimiss and masusundan niyo po ako, which is, I let everyone follow me naman talaga. Yes, so the answer is yes. It's just that, for example, nag-attend kayo, tapos for some reasons, nag-leave po kayo ng mga around 4 p.m., then the expectation will be different. Yes or no? I mean, it's a case-to-case basis pa rin. Pero if you attend yung complete session without disruption, then the answer is yes po.
Okay. Thank you po. Kasi gusto ko talaga matuto magawa ng kahit mga 60 seconds video eh.
Kayang-kaya niyo po yun, sir. Actually, ito pong page ko, no? Pakita ko, sir. Hold on. Yan, marami po ako ditong ito, gumawa po ako ng napanood niyo na po ito, yung Boyzone na kumakanta.
Yung sa taas, yung isa yung babae.
Ito po, yes po.
Yun po yung napanood ko.
Opo. So may mga inspirational contents po ako dito. For example.
Pwede ba, sir, mag-friend request sa inyo?
Yes, sir. Opo. Yun.
Para mapanood namin yung mga reels nyo o mga po.
Opo. Sir, ito po yung page ko. And i-paste ko po sa chat window.
Yun dito sa GC po?
Opo, sa GC.
Ayan, o.
Ayan, andyan po yung... Opo.
Ay, sige po.
Marami po akong content dyan. But,
May
ito,
bis-
plano ko rin pong i-share din ito sa lahat. Ito pong...
May business kasi kami, sir, di ba sa
Yes, sir.
pag sa page, sa ads, kailangan consistent yung pagpo-post.
Yes. That's true. That's true po, sir. And meron po kasi yung professional dashboard. I think you know naman, sir, no? Na pwede yung sundan
O, kailangan
in
talaga
terms of the weekly progress. Opo. To be honest, ito po medyo na kakaligtaan ko, but it's okay. Ang focus ko naman po talaga is to conduct workshops din.
Ano yun, sir, normal ba talaga yung iniiba nila yung mukha? Kasi yun ang kumisa ng yung photo into video, tapos naiba na yung mukha. Matutunan po ba natin dyan na hindi maiba gano yung mukha? O?
Okay, yeah. Sir, actually, that's the truth. In terms of transforming ourselves to another subject, o another character, tapos pagsasalitain po natin, medyo challenging po talaga. That's why I mentioned then, sir, no, during the workshop na as much as possible, ito po, no, everyone take note, as much as possible, sa Saturday, if this is your first time to create such content, gagamit po tayo ng random character subject. Okay po? Kasi what's important is for you to understand the complete workflow first. Yan. Second level po, yung gagamitin niyo yung sarili nyong image to make a talking subject. No? The reason is, yan, meron po kasi akong binabanggit na level of acceptance. Yan. Ako po, to tell you po, no, ang level of acceptance ko, kapag random subjects po yung ginagawa ko, I mean, random image, random personalities sa ChatGPT, ang level of acceptance ko is, kahit 70% lang, ina-accept ko na po yan. Totoo po yun, kasi, I think, people won't bother. People won't bother kung sino
hindi
yun.
naman siguro malaga talaga yung mukha mo, malaga siguro doon yung sinasabi.
Yes,
Tama po ba
exactly.
yun?
Tama po. Yes. So, pagdating naman po sa image ko, tapos ita-transform ko to sa some different subject, may transformation, ang level of acceptance ko po dyan talaga is 90%. Kasi ayoko nung mababago yung ilong ko, ayoko mababago yung mata ko. Yan. So may mga ganun po tayong pag-uusapan sa Saturday din po. Okay, but ito po, sir, no, i-connect ko na lang po din. Yung ganyang image transformation, ginagawa ko po talaga yan, sir, sa other session, yung tuwing Friday. Yung image generation and manipulation. For example po, ito. Ayan. Sa part po yan ng image generation and manipulation. Asan na yun? Ito po. Ayan. Ito pa, transform your own photo into a unique AI character. Dito po kasi sa session na ito, gagamitin po natin yung sariling image natin and then i-animate din po natin. No, yan. But yeah, maybe we don't complicate. For Saturday, focus po muna tayo sa Saturday, and then after the workshop ng Saturday, if magustuhan po ninyo yung lahat ng methodologies, yung styles and everything else, then you may decide kung gusto niyo po mag-join ng this another session. Okay po?
Ay, last na lang, sir. May mga totoo ba yan na may mga client po na ayaw nila ng AI sa advertisement dahil parang fake yung product?
Meron, sir. Actually, even myself, I still receive backslash from different people, especially in the arts industry. I have friends na hindi po nag-agree sa akin. Yan, ang sa akin naman po is we're not in competition. No, we're just utilizing and learning what's available in the market. So think of it, why would you spend a day to create an image whereas you can just create it in a few hours? Yan, ganun po, no? I'm saying, kapag ganyan po yung situation na nagkakaroon ng kaunting discussion, I'm just telling them we're not in competition. I respect and I highly admire your skill in arts, but just leave me here in my own business. Yan. Kung sakali pong may client kayo na ganun, sir, then don't just let them be, sir. No, and there's no point to argue. There's no point to prove something to them. Yeah, let's just continue learning, and then we utilize what's available technology now in the industry in our generation. Then we're good. It's okay. It's normal, sir.
Tanggapin lang.
Until now, nakaka-receive ako ng mga negative po. Ini-ignore ko na lang, sir.
Siguro mag-post na lang ng mga photo na organic talaga.
Yeah.
Sa AI. Generated.
Basta, ano lang, sir, no? Siguro it's connected with the previous question na about copyright. Wag po tayo magta-transform ng something na gawa na ng iba, especially na, for example, may taong gumawa ng portfolio, no? Not portfolio. Advertisement, one-page advertisement, and ginawa niya yun sa Photoshop. Ginamit niya yung time niya, effort niya, and skill niya sa Photoshop ng mano-mano. Nag-drawing pa siya. Wag natin yung kukuhanin. And then ita-transform natin into our own version kasi foul yun, sir. No? We still have to take note of our limits. Yan. So dapat organic. It comes from our own imagination. It comes from our own concept.
Sarili mong gawa.
Yan, sir, no? That's what we will do then on Saturday, actually. I will let everyone practice imagining. No? Hindi po tayo magkokopyahan ng prompts. Lahat po magkakaroon ng prompts on your own through my guidance.
Maraming salamat po.
Sir Flor.
Coach, sa payment, yung mag-register po kami, pwedeng, kasi yung isa dito, yung anak ko, nandito sa group natin. Ako na yung magbabayad para sa kanya. Magno-note na lang po ako for, let's say, for Janet and Edward.
I see. Okay. I forgot pala. Naku, may nakaalis na. Yan, Ma'am Janet, thank you for bringing that up. Yes po, that's okay. And ma'am, by the way, everyone, any referrals po, no? Mag-refer kayo ng someone in this session, you'll get 100 PHP referral fee from me per head. And po, no? So, Ma'am Janet, sa case po nila, if i-refer niyo po sa akin yung isa pong yung anak niyo, then less 100 na po dun sa fee. It's either sa iyo or sa anak niyo. Either way.
Hindi po, ano na lang po. Kasi ang nag-refer sa akin dito is si Miss Cheryl. Si Miss Cheryl po yung
Yes,
bali, under na lang po kami dalawa kay Miss Cheryl.
Okay. Sige ma'am, sige po. So,
Ino-note ko na lang po. Ino-note ko na lang po for Edward and Janet yung payment ko.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Coach.
Thank you po. Thank you, Ma'am Janet. Ma'am Rosel? Sorry. You mean to other person, ma'am? Ma'am Rosel? Sige po, i-check po natin, ha? Baka naman po sa page ko, then it's okay. Safe po yun dun. Kahit sa GC, Ma'am Rosel, whichever is convenient for you po. Sa GC or sa group. Sa GC or sa group. Sa GC or dun sa page ko po yung I Captain PH. Okay lang po yan, safe po yun doon. Kahit makita po nung ibang administer. May kasama po kasi ako na nag-administer ng page kasi there's a lot of inquiries. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, everyone? Thank you so much po, no? Yeah, feel free lang to ask questions. You can also, even after this session, i-type nyo po sa group natin. Okay lang po yun. It's just that on a daily basis, may work po ako. Yan, so from 8 to 6 p.m. Sumisilip-silip naman po ako, no? Kung sakali, gabi po ako nakaka-reply din talaga. Yeah, but I check the group from time to time. Don't worry. It's okay. You can just drop anything in the group. Okay, Ma'am Lovely, thank you. Sige, everyone, so it's 10:39. I won't hold you up for any longer, then so you can rest na po, no? And I will see you, hopefully, everyone, by Saturday. Thank you so much for attending. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your participation and for your active questioning. It's really, really important. Thank you, guys. Have a restful evening, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you po.